5 days, 12 students, 12 design problems, 12 unique solutions. Sikkim Detour Industrial Design. First stop was at Kanchendzonga Conservation Centre to understand the role of sustainability. A great place to learn how design can support both environment and community. From there, we moved forward to an exciting workshop on handmade paper making, a process of transforming pulp to paper, a worthy experience to highlight on. The immense transformation of the entire detour started off on day 3. 12 students, 12 design problems, 12 innovative solutions. Scaling from people and lifestyle problems to culture and identity, we delved deeper into all skills of design domains. From creating a cultural scroll for tourists, biodegradable sanitary pads, awareness tags, heritage travel maps, and eco-trail bookmarks, each idea reflected a purpose, a story, and a connection to the place.
So the topic which was given to me is sanitation, and under the topic sanitation I did my ethnographic research, and during the research I came to know about a hectic problem which is disposal of sanitary pad waste. I came up with a solution of making 100% biodegradable pad which is made up of bamboo and banana fibers, and it is also compostable within 6 to 8 months.
Hi, myself Nishant. The topic given to me was health in Yuksam village, Sikkim. So on conducting a brief ethnographic research, I was able to find 3 problems, such as there is difficulty in segregating and disposing medical waste. There is less awareness of emergency contacts, and there is limited access to medical aid. So keeping all these 3 problems under consideration, I designed a sustainable first aid kit which can be made in-house, including few of the articles that are used to treat during any emergency. It also contains a compartment where they can segregate the medical waste properly so that it can be disposed efficiently. So this product is not only gonna help them to generate good revenue, but also stand out in the market in a very good way.
Hi, I'm Hari Prasad, and my topic is about clothing culture in Yuksam, and I identified a major problem which is a lack of awareness in locals. Like, they have a huge market and they have all type of resources, but they don't know how to make use of it. And I come up with an idea that involves the locals to produce and sell an oil paper umbrella which is made out of the local resources in Yuksam. And each and every umbrella has its unique pattern that derives from the local culture of Yuksam.
Hi, myself Tarni. So the topic which was given to me was market, and the major issue which I identified was not the resources. So they had plenty of resources like Daphne, and another major issue over there was an excess amount of plastic waste due to tourism. Solution which I proposed was not only limit the market to tourism and Sikkim. That's when the lampshade idea came in. So I have created a series of lampshade where the base is created with recycled plastic, and the shade is created with Daphne handmade paper, and form represents the culture and tradition over there. So the core idea is to change the waste into something valuable and meaningful.
Pitching our problems and concepts to the KCC group, we shared innovative solutions designed for the locals, by the locals, crafted through regional skills, materials, and culture. Presenting to you all the design problems we identified and the innovative solutions we created along the journey.